-2 degrees, -2 degrees. Mom Nature owes us a couple of degrees. Anyway, we got a 1992 Toyota Paseo. No crank, no start. Whoever heard of a Toyota that won't start? Anyway, we're going to get into this after this. It's Diane, the pretty blonde psychiatrist. Well, hello. Aw, nothing. Yeah, it's cold. -2. -2. Why are you laughing? What is it where you're at? 13. 13 above? Why is it always warm where you're at? I don't want to know. Anyway. Yes, as a matter of fact, we were just getting into this. Why? What? You have a solution? I'm all ears. Gotta do what? CPR. Diane. Calipers, pads, and rotors. This is not a brake issue. What? Mouth to mouth. Okay, Ms. PhD. Where is the mouth on a Toyota? That's very funny. That's funny. I got a joke for you. This blonde psychiatrist was driving out in the country, right, in her Mercedes convertible. And as we all know, as these things are prone to do, it broke down. Why are you laughing? That's not the funny part. It broke down. Okay, so she decides to walk to the nearest farmhouse to get help. Yeah, so she's walking through a cow pasture and she gets stuck in cow manure up to her shoelaces. But she can't get out. Why? Cow manure up to her shoelaces. She can't get out. Why not? What do you mean, what kind of shoes? Heels. Heels are good. What designer? Calvin Klein? So why can't she get out? Hello? Hello? Because she's in head first. Anyway.